Alright guys, another visit to the Taman Megah Proton Service Center. This time with my Waja, and well, the issue is power window failure. Alright, so it's been 2 days since we ordered the new window regulator. So what happened was that the regulator arrived the day following after I brought the car here for diagnosis, and that the next day I couldn't make it, so today I am here, and now the staff is opening up my door card. So guys, this is it. This is the new power window regulator that's being installed in my Waja. Alright, the new one. Okay, it's this whole piece. Okay, and this is where the power window motor is to be mounted. So this whole piece is $300, and yeah, this is the damage. So later, I will show you the old one later. Alright guys, so they have changed the regulator. Right, this is the old one, existing one from my car. So these pulleys, alright, all these 4 pulleys, they are in okay condition, right? But you can see these wires have lost their tension. Apparently this unit, this particular regulator, this is of an improved design. This was the original regulator that came with the car. The lady boss who runs this place tells me that this is already an improved design. Earlier batches had a more fragile one.
This one is a glass holder.
Oh, this is the glass holder that broke. Okay, so this was the other one that broke, and well, I can't see where it was broken, but it's broken, so they replaced it for me. Okay, back in the car, let's try it out. Now, good. The mechanism can feel that it's coming down at roughly the same speed as before, but when the window hits the bottom, okay, previously, right, last time since new, the window used to hit the bottom very hard. This time around, finally, the hit, right, the ending of the motion is much softer. So of course there's no one touch up, I have to push it all the way up. Okay, smooth, but I noticed that there is a bit more noise from the movement, but overall the smoothness and all is fine, so all good. And the final bill came out to 394 ringgit 75 cents. Okay.